So that is one of the more convenient way on how you're going to get your Amazon orders, because and then now the locker will open. There you go. Today we are going to take you to Staples because we are going to pick up the the products that I ordered from Amazon. So it's not delivered directly to us. So it was delivered on a locker in Staples, but it was my decision to be delivered there, and we are going to pick it up there. So that is going to be our video for today, and we are going there right now. First at Staples. We had a good run today, a long run, although it was kind of cold and it was kind of late already. It was really, yeah, it was kind of late. We started around almost 10, then we finished at around 12. So the run was around 2 hours. So we are on our way now to Staples walking, and it's really windy right now. It's always windy here in Chain Lake, and that it's Staples there. So this is the Amazon locker. Its name is Ngog. Here you go. It says Ngog. So I am just going to pick up the orders here. So what I'm gonna do is I am just going to I'm just going to do something here. So I'm just finding that option, track package, and then start pickup. So wait, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of it. So it says here, so track package, click it here, and then you then start pickup. So the door here would just open. So it says connecting to locker, and then one package to pick up. So it's gonna be just in one box, and then now the locker will open. There you go. So we have one box of orders here. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Yeah, because we bought a couple of items. And then what you're gonna do is you are going to close this one after, and also double check if there's nothing inside, because you might um, you might leave something there, or maybe there are two packages. Just want to be sure, because of course sometimes people do mistakes. And then it says here you picked one package, and then rate it, and that's it. So put an awesome. So there's an instruction here. It says how do I pick up. So you need to turn on your Bluetooth, then you should be within 10 feet of the locker, because the app would automatically connect to that Amazon Ngog or Amazon locker. And that's it. It's easy. So you don't have to wait for anyone from Amazon or on knocking your door or calling you. You just have to pick it up at your own convenient time and then convenient day. Okay. It's going to be inside now. There you go. So that is one of the more convenient way on how you're going to get your Amazon orders, because let's just say what if there's no one around at your home, and you know very well right now that there are a lot of cases where your packages were delivered right in front of your door, But then when you get home, the packages aren't there anymore because someone stole it. So um, it's better for you to just like for us, it's better for us to have our packages delivered at an Amazon locker, like especially for us who's living in a condo, and then we don't want the packages just to be left outside the lobby because well, yeah, there are cameras out there for some condos, but if it's stolen, it's done already. You can't do anything about it. And then if you want to recover it, you still have to go through the process of recovering it. You know, you will have to to undergo the stress on recovering your product. So might as well have your orders delivered at the lockers because it's safer actually. So if your product if something happens on your ordered product, then at least it's there, so you could still contest it, unlike being left in right in front of your door or in the lobby of your condo or apartment unit or apartment building, and then your your product then just disappeared like a bubble. So yeah, just sharing with you the tip on how you could just save money, because you could save money because you won't get stressed, you won't go through um, any processes on spending more just to recover your items. And then what if you need that product, and then if you what if you need that product right away, and then it's not there, and then you need, and then the only way you could do is go to another shop, or yeah, go to other shop, and then order that the same product which is more expensive. And we know that there are times that Amazon is having good deals, especially during Black Friday.